enter Timaya. Now, she tell us things you don't do now. You can't kill that kid.
Well, good evening and welcome on top of the night show for today. Will be 22 to June 2015. My name is Nanedu_Maker Team Easy Beat and I'm Bunmi Oni. All of us don't enter for inside studio today. Today, now, of course, now Monday and the day we will check out on top ministry Monday night be work we would do for offices. And for the past 3 weeks now, we don't discuss sexual harassment for office.
3 weeks.
Now 3 weeks now, Abby.
It don't reach 3 weeks.
Yeah, for this on the 3rd week now. For the past 2 or 3 weeks now, we don't discuss sexual harassment for workplace, and then we don't almost finish them, or rather we don't finish. And then today we will discuss other things when we say concern sexual harassment for office. But we go back small chicken break for you. When we come back, Bunmi Oni will be the HR expert. Don't enter for inside studio. She don't sit down. Wazobia do Scalama Bush, the Scalama Bush expert. No. That's how they say Wazobia do. Kruna.
Bunmi Oni.
Kalama Bush Kruna, Bunmi Oni. HR expert. Come HR expert. She done it for inside studio. When we come back, she'll continue from where we stopped last week. When they come back. Okay, well, now welcome back on top of the night show for today. As na Ministry Monday, Bunmi Oni, the HR expert, come Wazobia do Kruna, Scalama Bush Kruna, Ceiling Fan Kruna. She done it for inside CD. So we'll go hand over to Bunmi Oni. Make she continue for where we stop last week.
One round up now.
No, she go do am now.
Okay.
She be pastor in here of Monday.
As we done the talk for 2-3 weeks now.
Yes.
We go just recap. So today on how to cope when person don't they harassed for work. You don't say we identify some things, say this one be sexual harassment. I know that they very educated because some people don't know. They don't know. If somebody they look me with one kind eye now, I go no, like they look me.
But I'm not looking with I'm not looking with any kind of eye. Now easy bit if you look with that kind of eye, I go agree. But this is normally now.
I know that your eye. Which kind of eye?
Which eye?
You get one eye. I don't warn you before that eye.
Like that elevator eye.
You don't bring another one again today.
We talk say sexual harassment. Now behavior will be say they defined as unwelcome behavior of sexual nature. So not be say person just they harass you like that, but it will get some kind some sexual killing. So we go just recap on the things where we identify, where we don't identify since. The first one be say if you they refer to adults as a girl, hunk, doll, baby or honey.
Baby doll, honey, sweet.
Whistling at someone, cat calls. Making sexual comments about the person's body. That's when we talk about the,
this your body want to make me. This your body. They do me like me. I go market.
And then this your body be like they go hang for fun.
I'm telling you. Then turning work discussions to sexual topics. Telling sexual jokes or stories. Asking about sexual fantasies, preferences, or history. Then asking personal questions about social or sexual life. Making kissing sounds. Howling and smacking lips. Making sexual comments about the person's clothing, anatomy, or looks. Like Monica now.
Jesus Christ.
Our own Monica. Yeah.
Oh, Monica! You don't know Monica! You know, so now I know Monica for upstairs now. Monica, I say Monica.
Like Monica.
Wazobia reduce.
You know Ani Baba.
I know Ani Baba.
That's our Ani Baba. You understand?
Neighbor na man now.
You see, say if you wear, you know that kind long kini way they wear.
Oh! You never know she they say He dey laugh. You don't know what they talk. Wetin you don't see for Anibaba na man? Wetin you don't see?
See, sexual harassment.
No be. Wetin you don't see?
Wait, you see sexual harassment.
You know Monica say her loss be reduced. It dey very, very visible. Anibaba na man. Why you come dey do this side? Wetin you don't see there?
You see say if Anibaba wear you long you know,
what
see you understand.
Wetin you dey see?
No, the
Hey, eggplant. Continue.
no.
You see now.
No be eggplant. You go just see down below. Down
Okay, easy bit. If man say down below, what's the man down below? The machine gun.
Na machine gun.
Na machine gun now.
Nothing else there.
Nothing else. Man, no, they get bum.
Some they get to.
Nah, derele.
no get butos.
Derele. Alex Kubo, he get.
Butos.
Uti get.
Butos.
They know themselves. Now they get butos. Some of them, I don't know. But there's. Why they do Continue.
Repeatedly asking out a person who is not interested.
But that one, I not agree for that one, no, because if they ask person out, the person feel they do normal girl style. So okay.
Wait, make I say. Girl where go they do girl style. It go down they give you green light now. Not be say. You get some people will say if you just tell them now, if you wipe slap.
But I guess some guy get where they be say then if you guy don't toast them 1 or 2 times, you just leave them after they get done vote. Then later. You're not even man enough. After you just 2 times, just twice, just
you go
left.
Say welcome am now. Not be say the thing they irritate the person.
No, but I see. When we talk na true. If woman they irritated, you as man, you go know my God.
Yeah.
That way can feel from far. Iso tong iso kanyen tong. You bang you know, craft. You know, you go no say that's how your face go be. When you see you from far, you don't see woman we no like man at all. They do.
Yeah.
But anybody scratch
like
you know if you say hello, you go say what's it be hello?
In fact, expression go just change when you see the guy they come like.
The one where they like the guy, which kind of face you go do? Man, say do a man say.
That one.
Do a man say now.
Not say you go do face, but you go welcome the greeting.
You go see from your eye.
Do a man say.
Like hello.
What maybe signs of end time?
In fact, you feel they tap your friend say like, don't they come? You know, you go adjust yourself.
You know why they like when Bunmi they talk? You go know people where don't they in the game.
They do.
Bunmi don't they in the game. Continue because.
Then telling lies or spreading rumors about a person's personal sex life. The guy if you no do anything, no, can't just they talk around of you say, that girl. If you know, you understand those.
The guy they roll like ceiling fan.
Well, you know people when they talk like that now. You as man, you suppose know.
Which people?
No, they go there now.
How you call they say whether I know? Not be easy to go ask that kind of question. Why go they ask me?
If they push anything, give they do. They do go on push and give.
No, but now you did ask that kind of question now.
Answer your question, they do.
No, but now you did ask that kind of question now.
I know ask easy.
Then the one we know they non-verbal. Now be say looking at a person up and down. That's elevator eyes.
Or when the woman they climb staircase, now there you go they decide to leave and press
as if you press your BlackBerry.
Your head go somehow.
Yeah, because they scope the you understand.
And we know these things.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
They're staring at someone. Some people don't know, but staring at someone.
No, staring normally. Staring they rude. Normally.
It's not nice to stare.
Normally they rude.
People don't mind now.
Then following the person, as if you they stalk the person. Now harassment.
If you did. What?
Then giving personal gifts. You remember I said that last week where one guy thought say they give them boxers.
Or you give you know,
like some
talk now.
No. Now they
which one you don't give?
No.
No, which one you they give?
No, I don't they give any. I don't receive. You know, some very quite interesting.
But me continue because I'm gonna leave this one.
Then making sexual gestures with hands or through body movement. You know, say last week some people go hold kidney.
Okay. You know, why not make we enter? Why not make we enter into
how they cope with that?
How do you cope with that? Make we start up today. At least you don't mention major things.
Don't remember.
But now at least people don't remember. So make we enter how you go fit take. You dey office now. This thing dey happen to you. How you go take cope?
The first thing be say you go talk to the person directly. If the person they harass you, the person where they harass you know say them they harass.
There's a harasser and harassee.
And they harass you.
And you know, say then they harass you.
Exactly. So you go talk to the person directly. Say you know like him.
But if you deny him, say I'm not doing anything wrong.
See that one. The day one part where we go talk about too. You go get evidence. Where we say you go record. Yes, now you go record the time. No, before you reach police level. You go record the time, you go know the dates where you be say, if you feel use all the kind of phones where they use these days, then they high-tech very well. You feel record the person, maybe audio, as in you understand. So that you get record.
So that you get
evidence. So you go tell her, make it stop. That's not the first step, because now that person, they harass you directly.
So if the person no can stop, you can't go.
If the person
no can go higher authority.
You can't take and go higher authority. Where be say, you feel look for other people. Maybe say the person don't
the elder. Maybe the person the elder don't say this guy don't.
You know say now for office, so you go dey careful who you go dey talk that kind of thing with.
Okay.
Now most times person where they senior role.
Okay.
And most times if you look at it, survey don't show say person where they harass another person. Now always
person where they bigger than
So those kind of things they go on maybe no meeting now, it go send text message say meeting day.
Meeting is 10 p.m.
So to create opportunity, maybe say the chief go
day,
so you go those kinds of things, you go record them, you go date them, you go time them. Maybe say you get evidence. So the first step be say like we talk, you go tell the person they do and no like that. Stop it.
You jeopardize your work for office.
Now be say by the time where you don't get all
then go sack and quick now.
Of course.
When you say best technique me like it. Me you can't go work the next day. You go see for your file. File go down like
what happened now?
You go finish work.
What happened for our kini now?
Hey! Give me just now.
What happened? No? If you see the kind of work where they say the man give the girl, they say the girl they cry. No, if you finish her. You know if you finish that kind of work.
For this our company.
They say just go touch the girl for lap. You can't tell the girl say, you want to grow in this company?
Which man tell me now?
You tell
you know they like this kind of gist.
No,
So the girl come our office, can't tell us for HR say, so thing they happen. No. We can't tell them say, how it take do am?
Oh, the person not did that HR, not did that building, another building.
No, another building.
Okay, but like inside compound, Abi.
I don't think it has
Continue.
So can't hold the girl for leg now. Can't they pat the girl for leg? Say,
not they rub your leg like that.
Why?
I think they show you as they rub.
They like him. Why you can't? You can't be like say. You be like say you go say. Now say you can't hold like can't do like this.
They rub.
Why he be saying that side you go touch?
I know what I they talk. I know for who are they talk. I know point anybody. But I know for
can you
continue.
Can't touch the girl now. We can't say okay, make the girl demonstrate as he take do am.
And the girl can't
demonstrate. We can't say see this kind of thing. You go day tactical because you know if you go confront the guy say not touch me there again.
Then the guy will come touch another place again.
Not touch me there again. If you touch me there, so I go report you to MD. No be so you go approach him. You go approach the person because the person where they harass you now adult and now your guy, you go take sense. Approach him. We be say himself no go, you know go rub himself esteem come out. Like say na one area boy they touch you now go. So you go take style like you know like this kind of thing, you know. If you even like someone say for your church,
it's a sin.
Say make you know they and you know
they help your spirituality.
Exactly. When they pray for church, you see some kind
of things. You see hairfire. Now
your spiritual this, you know they and
I feel that I say they fast.
How long you want fast?
Some people they do 100 days.
40 days and 40 nights.
What was I wait for you?
Anyway, more bass much in the for you. We'll come back. We'll continue with the big with the things we will discuss on top matter we concern sexual harassment for office. We will come back.